Soy Hector. I'm cooking. I'm Hector. I'm cooking YouTube. I'm on YouTube. Intermix Hector. Intermix Hector. Low, 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 bo, bo, bo. I'm doing the cooking. Cooking the food. Here we are. Here we are. Cooking the food. Estoy cocinando la comida. Mi amiga. Hablo. Hello, hello, hello. Wow, wow, I love you. Dicen que yo debería hablar en español, pues estoy mostrando mi cuerpo. No, pues I can't speak Spanish. I live in Australia, so I speak in English. Look, I got all the herbs with some rice in there. I got other veggies, vegetables. Tengo que esto colocar aquí. A ver cómo se puede hacer esto, a ver. Hago esto aquí, así. Lo coloco así. Whoa. Así, a ver, así. Tiene all the veggies, carrots, broccoli, the other broccoli, the white one. Now this tomato, how to put the tomato in there while I'm still, ow, okay, we need a bit of oil. This one is, whoa, slippery on the thing. That is the oil. The oil is habao. That's plenty of oil. I need this, the end of this soya, honey, garlic. Put that away. Then I got that food. Okay. Then it's got that. And I got that in there. The sausages are cooking in there with a bit of carrot. Okay. I will just fill it up, eh? But how are we gonna shake it? ¿Cómo lo shake it? ¿Cómo? Así. A ver. Hope it's good. No, pues está todo abajo. Cuchillo. Okay. I put everything here. Need some more water. Put it in here. There's plenty of water. Come on, there's enough. Okay, now turn it off. Agua, water, agua. And here, some salt. Y después, no, nothing else. That's enough, eh? That's got, mira, tiene todo. It's got everything. All the vegetables and the rice at the bottom. Onion, it's got onion. Onion, there. Look at this, onion. Anyway, it's got onion. Onion. Butter nice. Butter nice, mate. Might put some more water later. Oh, me lo voy a caer. Oh my god. Oh, the typical. Oh my god. Oh, choy. Oh, made it. All these clothes. And here's the microwave. I might put some bit more water after a little while it's cooking. That goes in there. Now, I don't know why I have to. I always think 20 minutes, hey, when I cook like this. It's gone 22 minutes now. It's in there. It's rice, vegetables, and then the noodles, all the spices, and then that. Oh, it's hot, man. Hot, very hot. What happened? Did it cut out? Anyway, I'm putting some of these hot sausages with the pumpkin and the carrots, with the food over there, with all the spices that I put, that Moroccan spices, the spice for them 2-minute noodles, the 2-minute noodles. Okay, I'm going and I'll have all these spices, the traditional dish, Morocco, honey, and all that. Okay, and that's it. Oh no, the other spices was, this one was garlic, and then the chili, chili. Okay, bye. See you soon. Okay, it's recording. Está grabando. I got the sausages and the thing, but I got a pumpkin and a few things in there. So what I might do? Ooh, no sé. Get this out. It's hot. You dropped it. Put it in there too. Put it in there. Oh, I need to. Anyway, I need to cut the sausages into little pieces. How do I do that? And then wait up. So I got the sausages. That. Wait a minute. Let me stop. Okay, I got in both plate. Look, do. What have I done? No, I put it because that was too much. I cannot eat all that. I can only eat this is heaps. Like for me, I can come back in 2 hours and eat that, but I can eat this now. But it's hot. It's very hot. It's got all the veggies. 2-minute noodle with rice, pumpkin. It's got pumpkin and the sausage. So just mix it like this. Mix it. It's got carrots, carrot, pumpkin, tomatoes. It's got all the flavors. Okay, what I do with this? One? Oh, I got it. Leave that up there. Leave everything up there. Put this in the oven so it cool down. Now it's cooled down in the oven. I got this to eat. Okay. I might butter some bread. Eat it with butter. It's the only bread I got. I need 3 bread. 3. 1, 2, 3. No, 4. 4. That's part of the bread, and the bread is here. And I'll put the bread up here or something. Then butter the bread and eat it with that. So this is the food that I'm gonna eat, but it's got the sausages now, and it's got all that, and I got the rest in the oven. But I'm gonna butter the bread for something to do. I got fruit salad. I haven't got much food. Look. No, it's just wine. No, that's not veggies. I'm running out of food. I don't know why I'm running out of food this time. Anyway, what I'm trying to do is to get some butter into our bread, like this. Butter into our bread. I am Chilean. Soy chileno. I'm doing this. Estoy haciendo esta weá porque esto se come bonito así, pues weón. Yo lo hago así, pero no sé. Voy a dejarlo acá. A ver, perdóneme. Ahora poner el butter, table butter. Aquí adentro tengo yogur, pero yogur tengo un poquito, un little bit. A ver qué comía. Ahí no sé, una wea. Okay, now esto, the bread, the butter, in here, like this. Ay, papo, mierda, come on. Like this, ahí. Y después pillarlo así y soplarlo. Y blow. Está muy rico. All the flavors. El agua. Okay. Adiós, amigos. Thank you very much. I love you too. Yuhu. Bye, la raza. Porque pasa, tú no me das. Why I love you. Be sporty. Get out there, please. Love you. I am on YouTube. I'm intermix hector. Anyway, I love you.